Hey everyone, this is Brian from Green Springs, and today I want to talk a little bit about an attribute that our company has at Green Springs Capital Group and Green Springs Property Management that might separate us from a lot of other options out there. So people often ask me that I'm talking to about investing with our company and partnering with us on real estate acquisitions. Why should we invest in Green Springs versus, some other real estate firm that's in the area or anywhere else in the country for that matter? And I always come back to the number one reason, I would say, also own our own property management company. So anything that we're buying, performing construction on, we're rehabbing, we're redeveloping, and then we're going to manage long-term thereafter for cash flow. Our company internally is managing that asset. So this is a distinction that is very different from a lot of other real estate operators. Most people out there that are raising capital or investing in real estate in this manner where they're bringing on limited partners, most of them are hiring third-party property management, which is fine and that can work. And usually that works really well if you're at scale. So if you're buying, apartment communities that are 100, 200 units a piece, maybe you have a portfolio of, 1,000 or 2,000 units, third-party management can work because at that scale you can get the best of the best. So at our scale, where we're buying things that are more in like the 10, 20, 30, 50 unit range, very difficult to find a third-party property manager that is very good or even excellent. One of the advantages we have is we're operating in this space that's, the 10 to 50 unit range per building. And we also have our own excellent team of property management that is going to curate that asset, that's going to manage it for efficiencies, that's going to drive revenue at every opportunity we have. I mean, the reality is that nobody else is going to manage your property or your portfolio of properties more intently than your own team is. So one of the primary advantages we have at Green Springs Capital is we also own Green Springs Property Management. So anything that we're buying, anything that we're partnering with limited partners on and raising capital in that fashion, we're going to manage that asset from the day that we start underwriting it through the offer, through the closing, through the redevelopment of the construction piece of that property, and then thereafter as property managers to maximize profitability of that property. So that's one distinct advantage that Green Springs Capital has over many other options you may have out there. So if you're interested in learning more about our operations or partnering with Green Springs Capital on future real estate acquisitions, you can reach me at brian@greenspringscapitalgroup.com. You can send me a message on Instagram here at Green Springs Capital, or I'll even give you my phone number, 518-810-2895. Always available, ready to talk about real estate or partnering opportunities with our company. That's it for today. Next week, I'll dive into some of the other attributes that kind of separate Green Springs from other alternatives out there on the market. Thank you, and have a great weekend.